When I met you, woman, I couldn't help but notice a face so beautiful. Now imagine the faces you would make if we ever made love.
Top is hit the horn 2 times and you walked outside. Just keep hugging them thighs and the only thing inside my mind is I want you. Yes, I do. And if it's anything you suggest, I do. Tell me. Now we all in the crib on my sofa. Girl, I'm so glad you came over. I wanna tell you come closer, but I don't know if you feel like I feel. Touch on it. Wouldn't it be nice if all night I was in you? Come kiss me, come with me down the hall to my bedroom. Tonight we'll be making love faces, making love faces. Shadows on the wall while the candles burning, messing up the bed while you sweating out to burn. Don't hold it in. Girl, let me wrap my hands around you. Hands around you, hands around you. Been so happy ever since I found you. Just like a kid who found some candy. Let me feel and find your panties. Take them off. Take them off. Take them off. Take them off, please. Oh, I'm down on my knees. Oh, you're right in front of me. Don't have to pay for my attention. Can you hear me? Is you listening?